welcome to Colombia! Welcome, wonderful people all over the world. My name is Frank, I'm Swiss and I run a tour operator in Colombia. Next to me, Alfredo, he's my local partner with all his family here in La Guajira. We are very close now to the Serranía de Perijá. We're in a very interesting spot where they develop new offers for tourism, nature tourism. We're doing now a little hiking. Maybe Alfredo, you want to tell a little more?
Okay, we're now in Montes de Oca, one of the best kept secrets of La Guajira. We're going to explore the Rio Jordan, and well, you're going to be amazed with the beauty of this place.
And this is very interesting in La Guajira because there's a huge contrast. We have Alta Guajira, which is a desert, and there's almost nothing, then sand, and you drive just 20 minutes and then everything is green and rivers and totally different. And this is La Guajira, and this also has a huge potential for more international tourism in the future, and this is what we are doing in the tourism industry. We develop and see how we can develop regions and generate more income locally and also generate local development. So let's go and see what we find. So we have actually two guides. We have the Jonathan, where he came with the motorbike and he brought us here, and then we have Mario. He's the guardian of the forest and he's like the local guide and he knows like all the animals here, and he said that here you can see 4 species of monkeys. The Didi and 3 more that I forgot the names. I will get that later into the video. And this is an interesting point because I just had 2 or 3 weeks again Chinese clients that wanted to do a tour and see different monkey species, and this would be a destination here to see different monkey species. They also have accommodation because some species it's very good to see very early in the morning. So already very interesting information right up in the start. Great. So we're currently walking up the river on the side, and the river has like colors. Blue like my eyes, bluish, coming like glacier water sometimes has this color. Unbelievable, beautiful. Behind me is Felipe and Laura, and they're also in tourism, and we have a different video where you will know more about him. And we were just talking about projects, and they're building hotels very remote, so probably we'll see more of those guys also in the future, because Colombia is just, you cannot imagine the potential of beauty and everything in Colombia. Let's walk in the middle. Such a beautiful place. Look at this river with all the waterfalls. So I'm not sure, but I think that's our destination. Natural pool, waterfall, beautiful place. Look at this. Oh my god. That is so beautiful. Colombia traveler! Do not miss out on the great additional information we always provide below in the description sections of all our videos. Now back to the video. So they told us, Jonathan, that this is actually primary forest, and for a long time this was not accessible here, the whole area, the whole territory actually, because it was all occupied by the guerrillas. And it's full of animals. We just saw guacamayas, like papagayos, flying over our heads, red ones. And you find puma, jaguar, tapir, nutrias, and lots of animals. So this is just a short visit, but I think I will come back and then we go really searching for the animals, doing some photography. It's really for ecotourism and animal watching. Can be huge. There can be a huge potential. So we are now heading back for lunch because everybody got hungry. So the forest guardian, Mario, he's on the way, he's coming back. He had to go and search gas. And this is actually where he lives. And he's a YU, so he lives in two worlds. But here in the middle of the forest. Beautiful with this river, it's just stunning. Piece of paradise.